Let's configure the chart component to transform raw data into visual insights using bars, lines, and gauges for better decision making. The first stage defines your visual format. Choose from comparison, trend, proportion, or KPI. Preview the chart and assign a chart label and an optional heading to identify the data being presented. Next, define where your data comes from and how it's processed. If your chart requires multi-step logic, toggle Enable Swift Flow. You can select a specific workflow and use the mapping table or custom JSON body to send data, using the @ symbol for variables and for dynamic JSON values. Or choose your data origin. Connectors. Target specific business modules and forms, applying limits and search filters. REST APIs. Fetch real-time data from external services like Shopify by mapping API response keys to your chart axes. Swift objects. Plot markers using internal data structures and custom schemas. Databases. Connect to any database to select specific tables and filter datasets. Once the source is connected, map the data fields to the visual elements. Select the column that will serve as the labels for your chart. Select the numerical column that provides the actual values. Define the mathematical logic, such as sum, to aggregate multiple rows into a single data point. Finalize the look and feel in the Style section. Toggle between light and dark themes and select a predefined color palette, for example, Ocean, Corporate. Enable the Recharts engine for improved rendering and use conditional logic for the visible attribute. Switch between horizontal and vertical orientations, toggle axis visibility, and enable grid lines for readability. Before saving, use the Live Style preview at the bottom of the wizard. This allows you to see all configuration changes in real time to ensure the data is mapped and styled correctly.